All right, guys, this one Bank Nifty and 1 minute chart, and price open somewhere here and goes up within a minute, and again price pull back and hit this level, and again price drop to this level. So where we enter today, let me explain. So here exactly we enter by call option and book the profit exactly in this area. Again bought put option in this area and booked profit somewhere here. So why I enter in this area? So let me show you here. So where exactly price open today? Around 43455. So I use standard deviation. Let me use remove this one first. So 43455. So once I place orders, automatically now they are detecting some level. So first the 0.5 standard deviation 43608. So let me draw some resistance line. So here I can see first one 43, have you seen 43608, and next 43761, one standard deviation, another level 43761, 1.2. That was different. So basically we was focusing on a sell side today. So let me show you here why we enter here and why we enter put option here and book here. So let me explain. So now I'm gonna make double screen here. One side, this one 15 minutes left hand side, and another 1 minute chart. So what is our basic rule, anti-rule? So once form a bearish candle, so suppose this one bearish candle, all right, bearish candle. So next open somewhere there, if price break this bearish candle, so that is our entry point. So here I can see first candle bearish. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay. All right, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, so first candle, they form a bearish candle, right? 15 minutes. So later on here, you can see price broke this bearish candle. All right, higher point. So this is called breakout trading strategy. We are using candle. So now you can see in this area. So on left hand side, 15 minute, and right hand side, 1 minute chart. So once I swing this, just take it my cursor. So here I can see they broke this level, this higher point, 15 minute higher point, break, and we enter exactly here in this area. So after breaking this higher point, and at first we was looking for a closer position, but you can see big momentum candle they broke. So I wait. So later on, you can see they form another candle. So here, if price break this level, so definitely we will close our position, but this continue toward this one standard deviation level. Have you seen? So exactly when price hit 43761, we closed our position. We booked our call option. Remember how exactly we are trading. So later, as I said, I'm looking for short basically, but some bullish confirmation we have seen in this level. So that is where we entered somewhere here. Let me make it little bit okay first, and the second, you can see the price broke this line. Have you seen why I bought? Price reject, again goes up, again reject this level, again reject, again reject. So we have seen 4 times price reject, and finally we bought put option in this area. So why we bought? First, let me show you. First target, when we achieve it, why we are not able to short in this area? Left hand side, they are not able to form any bearish candle. So right. So second, so let me show you here. Just a minute, my dog is working. 1, 2, 3 test, and the 4 test. Let me show you. So now I can see first test price not able to create. They are not forming any bearish candle. So next they form a bearish candle. So when they are forming a bearish candle, we are ready to short. All right. So we are expecting the price will drop from this area. So next candle, we was looking for short again within a minute, and later here you can see another candle, and finally price broke this trend line. So when price form they create a red candle. We was looking for short. We are looking for short, and finally broke this trend line. So we got confirmation by forming this bearish candle, but we was looking for a breakout. So finally they broke this trend line. So exactly we enter here, and we are expecting that price will retest this 0.5 standard deviation level. Oh yeah, sorry. All right. So this is the mean line. This is a 0.5 standard, and this one standard deviation line. Right. So later here you can see price around in this area around 1 p.m. or not 1 p.m. 1:30 p.m. price hit our target point. All right, finally, but it took too many time. But some bullish confirmation was forming, but I was not interested to take any position. So finally, we close our position. We had two trades today. All right. So let me explain for tomorrow. So basically, tomorrow I'm looking for short. Oh, sorry. Let me see. This is a daily time frame. So let me remove. Okay. So now you can see today they close forming a bullish candle, and that is why we are looking for buy tomorrow. So how exactly we are buying? So we use, let me explain, suppose they form this one bullish candle. So we'll use suppose market open somewhere here in this area. So this is the standard deviation line, or you can say mean line. And then next, let me change the color. Okay. So if price goes to this level, like this level will indicate by standard deviation, like that, and then like that. All right, upper side three standard. We are using three line actually, like that. Okay, for example, this one mean line, and this is supporting level, support one, support two, and the support three. So suppose price opens somewhere there, and after giving a pullback, we need a bullish confirmation pattern and bullish candle in a 15-minute chart. So once it appear, so we are using pullback, like somewhere there open somewhere there and given a pullback. Once price hit this opening price, and definitely we enter somewhere there. So where? So in this key level. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.